Molweni Bafundi, we take up the story in chapter 8 after having read in the previous chapter of how Ndimeni returned home after having been fired and experiencing, or rather having bad job experiences in Port Elizabeth, and then coming home to find himself most unwelcome in his own home, especially at the hands of Nojaji and her daughters. And poor Menzile is powerless to do anything about this, and all he does is give Ndimeni a plot or a site where he can build his own home. So we take up the story. Kwangezo ntsuku, also at that same time, during those same days, intsuku or days, zokumka koNdopo, when Ndopo and company Mka left or departed, Liziwe wacela kubazali bakhe, she asked her parents ukuba if or to bamvumele, to agree to her aye going kusebenza, to work eMonti in East London. Nangona, even though Menzile wayesala, he was refusing, or he refused, that Liziwe should go, ukuba uLiziwe ahambe, unojaji waba ngakwicala lentombi yakhe. Nojaji, as usual, took sides with her daughter. Woyiswa ke uMenzile. So Menzile had to give in. Wavuma, and he agreed. Wahamba ke uLiziwe, and so Liziwe left, waya kusebenza eMonti, and went to work in East London. Apho eMonti, there in East London, akazange ahlale kakhulu. She did not stay very long. In fact, wahlala inyanga ezintandathu. She stayed for 6 months. Wabuya, and then returned. Wayengabuyi, she did not return ngokuthanda, because she wanted to, because she liked the idea. Instead, wayenzima, she was pregnant. Nzima, as you know, literally means to be heavy, and this is the idiomatic expression referring to someone who is pregnant. Wayenzima, she was pregnant. Baba buhlungu kakhulu abazali bakhe. Her parents, abazali bakhe, Baba buhlungu kakhulu, they were greatly saddened, yilento, by this. Ingakumbi, especially Menzile. uLiziwe wafumana umntwana oyinkwenkwe. Liziwe gave birth to a boy, to a baby boy. Unojaji wati, Nojaji said that his name, igama lakhe, should be Sipho. Sipho, as you know, means a gift. Nangona, although Menzile wanted, wayefuna kuthiwe nguNgxaki, that he should be called Ngxaki, as you know, Ngxaki means a problem. Ngamanye amagama, in other words, singati, we can say that unojaji wayeyikhuthaza, she was in agreement, she was in favor, she encouraged lento, this matter of yokuzala kwentombi, of her daughter Zala, to give birth, of her daughter giving birth, ingendanga, whilst unmarried. So, a very short chapter, and we will leave it at that. Enkosi kakhulu, bafundi.